In response to the ongoing law and order situation, government Manipur has extended the suspension of internet and mobile data services in Imphal West, Imphal East, Thoubal, Bisnupur and Kakching after reviewing the security situation. The internet suspension was initially implemented on September 10 for 5 days. However, the suspension has now been extended for another 5 days, lasting from 3 p.m. on September 15 to 3 p.m. of September 20. The suspension includes services such as mobile data, VSATs, and VPN, with some exceptions for whitelisted entities. This extension follows a previous partial lifting of restrictions on broadband services as per an order issued on September 12. As the tension remains high, the government has decided to maintain the freeze on most internet services to ensure public safety. All mobile service providers have been directed to enforce this suspension, and users are urged to avoid any activities that could further destabilize the situation.